Hello, my name is Barry Walter Jr. I'm the CEO of Barry E. Walter Sr. Company. You probably know us for our ONA Puller. This is the premier Moen cartridge extraction tool on the planet. It's going to remove the 1200 and the 1222 without you having to do all the work. A little bit of cranking, a little bit of physics, push it up against the valve body. It's going to do what you need it to do. Beware, we have seen some Chinese knockoffs out there on the market. Some of them even on Amazon. So make sure you're looking for the Made in America version, because that's what we do. We make it here in the US. So we've been asked a lot, will this remove a Posi Temp cartridge if it's been broken off at the stem? Typically, it's because somebody's not using the ONA Puller. Someone took a T-handle and put their foot on the wall like I talked about and did some pulling. The weakest part of that stem is where the O-ring seals inside the cartridge, and that's typically where it's going to break. I've seen some unique ways of plumbers and homeowners removing this broken cartridge short of melting it and chiseling it out. We don't want to do damage to this valve body. So we've got this tool now, part number 999070. It is going to work in conjunction with the ONA Puller. So if you have the ONA Puller, there's about a quarter of the price, and it's going to work with it to remove that broken Posi Temp. If you do not have an ONA Puller, then you're going to have to order part number 999070-all. That's going to come with the tube and the crank from the ONA Puller. The tube in both the ONA Puller and in this is going to come with a bag to be able to put all the tools in. This is going to solve this problem once and for all, along with the video, because right now we're going to demonstrate that to you. All right, let's get this started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your drill and the bit that's included and stick that drill bit inside the drill. You're going to want to measure and have it out about 1 1/8 inches sticking out of the drill. Once you get that in there, go ahead and pull the clip. Make sure the water's off. Pull the clip, take the mounting block. On the mounting block, there's a set of large holes and a set of small holes. To start with, to be able to use the drill, you're gonna take the small holes and make sure they're north and south, up and down. You're gonna have it indexed on the bar of that Posi Temp cartridge. Take the drill, put it in that hole guide, and then drill it until it's flush. Once it's flush, pull it out. We're going to do the same thing with the next one. And drill our guide holes for the screws, okay? So we've got our guide holes inside there. We're going to remove the drill bit. Take your Phillips driver and stick this in the drill now. And then we're going to take the mounting block that we've just used to be able to drill our pilot holes, and we're going to turn it 90 degrees from the pilot holes so that the large holes are up and down, north and south. And we're going to index that onto the Posi Temp cartridge, the broken Posi Temp cartridge that we just drilled holes in. And we're going to use those pilot holes we just did, stick a screw in there, take your drill, your bit, and we're going to just drive that in there till it stops. Take the second one, stick it in there, and again, we're gonna drive it in there till it stops. Now we have this mounting block attached to that broken cartridge. This is where the glory that is the ONA Puller comes in. You're gonna take the supplied threaded rod that came with this 999070. We're gonna screw it into the mounting block till it stops. Take the tube from the ONA Puller, slide it over the top, sit up against the valve body. Again, it's got little divots here that index on it. It's got a slot here for the whole entire cartridge. Take our crank from the ONA Puller, or the 999070-all, put that on there, and it's just like magic all over again. Just the same way that the ONA Puller works, pulling out a Posi Temp. This is gonna remove a stuck broken cartridge the same way, without the force, and using the physics of the crank and the tube up against the valve body to remove that cartridge. There you have it. Inspect your valve body, make sure it's not damaged, make sure it's cleaned out from any debris, grease up the new cartridge, stick it in, put your clip back on, and you're good to go. This is gonna fix that broken Posi Temp cartridge. Hey, we're here to solve problems. Our goal is to make the plumber the parts hero to his customer. Let us know if you have any questions. We're here to serve.